3 years ago, we had our last spotlight. The Revs and Runway show hit like it had never done before. From the fast cars to the drift cars, from the amazing designers to the runway show, and from the amazing crowd to the crazy content. We had it all. The year is 2020, and we decided to step out again. This time bigger, bolder, and more energetic. 2020 seemed like a promised year. Not until the coronavirus.
Nigeria has confirmed its first case of coronavirus since its outbreak in China in January 2020.
The virus was confirmed by the Lagos State Ministry of Health on the 27th of February in an Italian citizen who entered Nigeria on the 25th of February.
He said it took the decision on the advice of the Federal Ministry of Health and the NCDC.
After 5 long weeks of lockdown, this Lagos grocers is relieved at a partial return to normality.
With the lockdown lifted, we went back to work, and with high hopes of delivering the biggest and best to bring this to you. Let us begin.
My name is I'm a mechanic. I own an automobile workshop. Yeah, that's what I do. Driving here, I came here with a CLK 55 AMG 2003. I've popped 2 tires. Lovely experience. I think I produce the most smoke here, and I'm about to pop another tire right after this interview. What I enjoy most about driving fast cars is the adrenaline rush. Yeah, I enjoy smoking tires too. It's fun. It's fun. You get to catch attention. Everybody's looking at you. You're a bad guy, you know. It's fun. It's interesting. Lovely.
My name is Kerry Martins. The name of my car is Thanos, the black M4. I think I started following the show from the first time they did it, but I wasn't here then. But I saw a couple of videos online about the show and it was really nice. Until Shino contacted me and we both spoke on Instagram a couple of times before the event and we did a couple of runs before today. I really wished we could have the rain event, but at least we have this to show people. And I guess a few people here are excited to see this. So we are. Fuck.
Okay, hello, my name is Amazing Nigeria. I'm a model, a TV presenter, a red carpet host. Let's just say I'm simply amazing. Yeah, so this is my first runway with sports alongside. So I'm really excited to this whole show, and I saw the casting online on Instagram. So I was like, okay, interesting. This is very, very interesting. So it's not just like the regular runway, but alongside it, we have sports and racing and all of that. So yeah, I'm really excited. When I saw the show was postponed, I was shattered in a way, because I was really, really eager to walk the show. So when I saw it, I was like, nah, this cannot be happening. So when I got a call back that we're gonna do the show pre-recorded, I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, so I was excited.
And I feel like modeling is super interesting and super fun and super adventurous. I can't wait. I can't wait to be blown away by all the excitement and all the revs and the drifting and everything. So amongst all of these amazing dresses, I will be wearing this short mini gown by Joseph Ejiro, and I love it because it's got like so many details. The frills is super fun, super interesting. I think it's something that you would probably wear to like a girls' night out, and it's perfect for this show because it's got all the bubbles, you know, and all of that.
My name is Joseph Ejiro. I'm the creative director of Joseph Ejiro brand, my personal brand. Presently, I'm more focused on women's wear, but in the future, I tend to branch into menswear. What I do basically is avant-garde pieces, mostly evening wears. Yeah, I like the idea of mixing automobile with fashion. Apparently, the show has been happening for a while, but that was the first time I was hearing about it. But I like the idea, I like the concept, and I like that it's open to designer participation from different demographics and different walks of life. It's not, how would I put it? It's not an exclusive kind of runway events like we have in so many other runway events. It's open to anybody who feel like they have something to put out there. I got to know about Revs And Runway through Miss Wimpre here. I met her at an event and we got talking and she invited me. She said, okay, I really love your pieces and I would like for you to be a part of this event. I'm like, yeah, sure. I'll see what I can do, and voila, here we are.
Yo, what's up guys? The name is J-Bash. I'm the Drift Prince of Nigeria. Drift Prince or not Drift King, bro. Before people attack me. So the name of my car is Bumblebee. It's an E30, 1986 model. Has a 3.5 liter engine. The reason why I like drifting, because it's the fastest way around the corner. Yo, so when I saw the post on IG that they postponed the Revs And Runway, I was sad. I was not happy. It was just as if something inside me died because I wanted to shred the tires at the TBS. Like, I had all the plans. After BMW Auto Fest, I was going to shred more tires then, and my tire went out. It was not easy, I swear. So we move. Next year, 2021, is going to be lit. More tires, more crowd, more cars, faster cars, because I think I'm coming with like 2 cars. This car is going to be a stunt car. I'm going to be doing all those shits that South African people used to do, jump out of the window, the car will be drifting and all. Then the other car will be just for drifting. While that one will be like my stunt car, which is Bumblebee. So, peace.